I said, I'm living my best life. I said, I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the way.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm JessTheDragoness. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I got some hitters for you. This channel is all about hair, beauty, and fashion, especially wigs. I love my synthetic wigs and my virgin hair units. So today I have a synthetic wig for you. Make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so today I do have a new unit, but before we get into that one, if you're curious about the unit I have on my head, I do have a review. I do have a review up on the channel for you about this one. I'll leave a link right here, but make sure you keep watching this review first. So today's unit is from MotownTress. This unit is called LDP CLAIR, and I do have her in T27613. This is a short bob unit. I felt like it would be really good for the summertime. It's a pretty blonde color, and it's not super duper long. Of course, if it's from MotownTress, you know it's going to be affordable. So I just want to check out this cap construction for you guys. It looks like this is a lace front unit. There is some lace around the edge to work with and lace in the parting space. You do have two combs, one right next to the part and one by the temple. And then you have another comb in the back with your two adjustable straps. The cap does feel very, very stretchy. And I'm looking at the color and I absolutely love it already. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and pop this unit on. I'm absolutely loving this color. It is to dye. I love it. It looks great on my skin tone, and I think it would look great on so many skin tones. This unit actually looks like human hair. Like, I'm not even gonna play with you guys like that. Like, but this unit really looks like human hair. This looks like a human hair unit. Just the texture of it, the way it's colored. This unit is looking like a 613 blonde unit that was professionally colored. I love how it just tapers into the 613. I love the color mix at the top. It's not giving me synthetic vibes any way, shape, or form whatsoever. Y'all know I struggle when it comes to having these long ends. I always struggle. That urge to cut it is always there for me. For some reason, I'm okay with this side. I'm okay with this side being longer because I guess maybe I have a bang to play with over here. But this side just is not like making a whole lot of sense to me being this length. So I'm kind of tempted to just do a chop. I'm gonna see though. I'm thinking about straightening it and see how that goes. Oh yeah, I kind of like it a little better when it's a little straighter. Yeah, that bend was like a lot. The bend that was on it was probably just a little too much. Yeah, now it's definitely giving me human hair, bumped. So literally, you guys, don't do too much straightening. You don't want to ruin it, but just giving it that little bit of heat, applying that little bit of heat is going to give you a much more natural look and a much more natural fall. Like, this is how natural hair actually falls. Now that I did that though, I do feel like this little end right here is just a tad bit too long. So just take a little bit of that away. This side looks good to me, but the other side was looking a little maybe not so much. Okay, baby, this wig is popping. Okay, this wig is popping. Just giving me all sorts of life. And this right here, this stock card, like, come on, y'all gotta do better. This stock card is not doing it for me. How is this stock card this wig? How, Sway? Answer me. I need an answer now. Like, no, you will never tell me that this wig is this. Huh? What? No. 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 I refuse. So they need to just scrap this whole stock card and start over. But anyway, you guys, if you want to get into this affordable little bob from MotownTress, then I will leave a link in the information bar down below. Now, you know, as soon as I post that link, folks gonna run and go grab up this color. So don't take your time. Like, if you want it, go check it out. Because I would hate for you to be salty. As far as the cap construction and the cap size, I definitely think that this is a average cap size. Definitely could fit a larger size head or a smaller sized head. And yeah, I definitely recommend her. All right, you guys, make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.